Hello guys, welcome back to Strijy Talk. So today I will going to show you Clovia's lingerie haul. After a waited one, I wanted to show to you guys after a long time. Finally, Clovia has sent me this box which is in pink color and it says crafting under fashion, happy is my superpower, and hell yes. So definitely I'm gonna show you the 4 bras which have different aspects to it and different power and different comfort level. So definitely let's check it out.
This video is a sponsored video by Clovia. Yes, you heard me right. This is my first ever collaboration with Clovia and thank you for choosing us. Use partner code CLOV5 for extra 5% discount. Valid for lifetime with no minimum cart value. First time user can also use my referral code 3E1X2L and avail 300 rupees off order worth rupees 1199 and above. If you want to pay online, use coupon code ONLINE3 for 3% off. And you can also check their website too. If you purchase any bras, panties, you will be always getting exciting gifts too. I have got a camisole and hand sanitizer with the purchase. So if you want to purchase any product, you will be getting gifts too. Are you excited?
First product, which is this coral orange color multi-wave strapless demi-cup bra, which is definitely must have in your wardrobe because you can use it in multiple ways as well. And basically this straps and this is of net, which is very comfortable to wear, and definitely it will be showing to little bit of cleavage, but definitely it is a very comfortable and soft in texture, and it's of demi cup, which is giving you a comfortable look to your any outfit. But I have paired this with a green color top which has a very deep neck, which is giving a beautiful cleavage kind of a look, and which is very comfortable. I would definitely recommend it because it has amazing color. It has different colors as well, but this is amazing. So I got this for $399 and it was somewhat 1000 ke aspas it was, because eta mane ami peyechi onek মানে খুবই ডিসকাউন্টেড প্রাইসে। সো ইট ওয়াজ লাইক 60 to 70% ডিসকাউন্ট ওরা দিতেই থাকে, ডিসকাউন্ট চলতেই থাকে ওয়েবসাইটে। তো ডু চেক ইট আউট অ্যান্ড definitely a highly recommended product. So isn't it so pretty? It's a black bralette. So every girl's dream to have a bralette because you can pair it with sari. As I paired it with a sari, it was amazingly, like, the texture is amazing, the net quality is amazing. It's not a cheap net, it's a very high-end net and I love it. And definitely the coverage, it's giving a good coverage to your body, and definitely the texture of this bralette is definitely a hit one. And it also has hooks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hooks which gives you a very much like comfortable and a balanced outlook, which is really good to your breast, and definitely it gives you a very smooth texture to your body. If you are someone who wants to try new things, then definitely try this bralette. I got this for rupees 375 and it was priced around 1199. So you get so much of discounts, and please apply my code, then you will be getting 5% more off. So what are you waiting for? Go! So this is a balconette bra. So this is the very pretty strap one. I just love the straps are also detachable, as I have detached it, and you can definitely detach it. You can pair it with any kind of outfit. Pad ka quality is so good, it's amazing. And definitely the color combination, it's in pink and gray color, which is dark gray, and I have detached the straps and it uplifts your breast, which is definitely a hit one. And if you are in a bigger breast size, so definitely you can go for this because it's really gives you a upliftment which balances your breast sizes. The price of this bra was something 1000 something, and I got this for rupees 349, and this is the color mauve. I just love this color. It's so beautiful, and it is demi cup. Okay, many people don't know about demi cup. Demi cup is something which uplifts your breast. How? If you have a smaller breast, it will look like bigger. If you are 32, it will 32A, then it will look like 32B. So definitely these demi cup bras are a hit one, and it has a deep neckline which gives you a very sober kind of a look. I have paired this one with a black color top, which was definitely giving you the push, which is the main purpose of this. And definitely you can even style it with multiple ways. The strap is detachable. It was priced around 1499, but I got it for rupees 349. This is the discount Clovia gives you, so definitely check it out. This was it, the lingerie haul, the awaited one, and definitely check out my description box for my products if you want to buy my products. If you like any of the bras, so definitely comment on the comment section and definitely let me know which bra did you like the most. So till then, tata, bye bye. Next video niya our firchi. Bye. Why you won't purchase it? Go and purchase it. Yes.
ये सब छाड़ो, सैंडो की नहीं पढ़ो।